So it's feeding time, guys, feeding time. I like to give a little fine seed before I give the actual nighttime feed. So this is just to have a little time with the birds, train them. As you can see, this one is my son's bird. He also has blankets. Look at his tail. Cup. And he likes to jump onto my hand when it's feeding time. He's so keen for doing that. And he actually won our the latest the 2 clubs that were directly in the board when he was disqualified for me being late with basketing, however, or even though I was hung in my clock was hung in my pools was accepted. But yeah, that's just another sad story. But yeah, this is how I spend a little time with him. If you can check their necks, some of them is in heavy molting now, while others are, so to speak, complete with the mold. They were really in a bad state. I would love to get them all to race. Time will tell how the preparation will be and whatever, but I just need to be patient. Look at this white flag book, look at these feathers. It's really bad. There's a tail feather, the tip that is swinging around as it is broken. Cup. It's my favorite time, this one. Cup. Feeding time, just to get the birds closer to you. And that is how I get them to be so tame, not scared while I'm in the lock. That's how I can have the lock open and they will stay inside the lock. That is how I catch birds while the lock is open. Because they don't scatter too much, they're not too scared of me. Cup. Course. So yeah, I think this method also of giving a little fine seed before I actually feed them also get them to drink a little bit of water. It also, I think it will amount to them not eating so much when I actually feed them. So I don't know if it's a good idea or what, but I think if you want your birds to get to a proper weight, and that is one way to do it. Could be one way to do it. Cup. You see this one, I can just pick it up off the ground. Cup. Okay guys, and also I feed on the floor. I don't like it when the birds can feed into food. If you are feeding less to put the weight down, then they must fall and feed mixes. So what's going to happen now is I feed them until the first bird is going to drink water. And that is when I stop. So I'll feed a little at a time. Just make sure that they are having feed constantly. Pick or pick up until the first bird drinks water, then I stop. That is how I'm feeding. Cup. That is just my method. This method I actually, when I met the twins from Darling, Faiz and Farid Willenberg, Faiz was actually the one who told me to feed like that. When the first 3 birds don't drink water, see there, they don't drink water, so I'm going to stop throwing any feed now. So there's 2 birds that's drinking water, there's a 3rd one going. So I'm done feeding now. I'm not going to throw any more feed in, there's still a little bit here. So that is enough. That's the feed. And they will clean up all the feed that's on the floor. Nothing is going to stay behind. Nothing is going to stay left for the mice and what. Oh, that reminds me, I must start putting some mice poison. Because I did notice that I do have mice here. So I need to control those also. Yeah, and there the rest of them, as they are finishing up, they are going to drink water, and that is more than enough feed. Alright guys, that is my feeding method. Yeah, I bring them in with a little bit of fine seed, make sure everybody's inside, and then I feed them, give them the actual feed for the evening. Cup, cup, cup. You can see if I go to feed here, they are still got. This one's weight is nice, you can feel the light. If there's not much feed here, I can check. This is close to a tablespoon of feed. It's in the crop now. But I feed this way in the morning and in the evening. So I don't know, I like to feed my birds in the morning and then I let them out. And it's only because I let the birds out the whole day that I do not feed them in the morning. I'll rather feed them first and then get them to come inside. This bird is feeling lovely. This is 740. 740. With a nice small white tip on the head, on the side of the head. Just slightly to the back of the right eye. Something nice. Cup, 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 cup. Cup, 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 cup. Cup, 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 cup. Cup, 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 cup. This bird was also a car bird of 2019. Went second on the Hopetown and also did 2 times fourth place in the club for me. So when, I don't know what was the position of the truck, but she was one of my car birds for 2019. Cup, 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 cup. Alright guys, we'll see each other again soon.